Hey, what's up everyone? Yes, I'm back with another video. So you passed your CompTIA A+ certification or Google IT certification, or you're new to IT. But here is the truth. Passing just a certification does not guarantee you a job. In fact, I get messages all the time from folks like yourself who can't seem to get interview calls or job offers even after completing the certifications. What's going on? You know why? Because most of the beginners don't have the job-ready skills that hiring managers like myself are looking for. Today, I'm going to share with you exactly which job skills and tools you need to add to your resume so you can stand out, get past that HR software filter, and land your first ever IT job. By the end of this video, you'll know where to download these tools for free and how to use them to gain practical experience. Are you ready for this? Let's dig. Tool number 1, Spiceworks. This is a help desk ticketing system. Guys, this is the most important one. Spiceworks is a free help desk ticketing system used by many IT support teams. So you may ask, what is a ticketing system? IT professionals use Spiceworks to track and manage support requests from users. If you really want an IT support or a help desk job, knowing how to navigate a IT ticketing system like Spiceworks is crucial. And HR softwares looks for keywords like ticketing system or Spiceworks on your resume. Now, where to get it for free? Just log on to spiceworks.com, create a free account, and start exploring. Spend time creating tickets, assigning tickets, and resolving tickets so you get comfortable with the workflow. This hands-on practice will help you sound confident in interviews and help you build a strong resume. Let's move on to tool number 2, AnyDesk. It is a remote control software. Guys, remote work is huge nowadays, and IT professionals often help users who are remote. AnyDesk is a free remote desktop tool that lets you connect to a remote user's computer and fix problems without being in the same location. You can download it for free from AnyDesk.com, install it, and practice connecting with your friends or family member. Learn to guide someone through troubleshooting as if you were there in person. It basically lets you take the full control of a remote machine and troubleshoot. Isn't that cool? Let me give you a tip. On your resume, include remote support tools like AnyDesk to get noticed. By the way, AnyDesk is also a keyword. Tool number 3, video conferencing. There are several video conferencing softwares out there. Google Meet, WebEx, or Zoom. But out of all of them, I tell you what, Zoom is the king. You will use video conferencing for team meetings, training sessions, and sometimes even interviews. It is very simple but important to know how to schedule a meeting. Share your screen, mute and unmute yourself, and use chat features. This also has a feature where user can share their screen with you so you can see what user is doing. It helps you while you're troubleshooting. You can download Zoom for free from zoom.com. Practice setting up meetings. Get yourself comfortable in front of the camera. Guys, add Zoom to your resume. It's a skill HR definitely recognizes. Skill number 4, basic networking. Guys, it is the backbone of IT support. You don't need to be a network engineer, but you do need to understand the basics. IP addresses, DHCP, DNS, and subnetting. Why? Because many IT support problems are networking related, and employers want to know you can troubleshoot basic networking issues. So the 4 things which you have to have basic knowledge of are IP addressing, DHCP, DNS, and subnetting. This is the bare minimum you gotta have. Skill number 5, basic troubleshooting skills. This is your daily bread and butter in IT support. Hiring managers like myself want people who know how to approach a problem, identify it, isolate the cause, fix it, and document the solution. This means knowing and using some essential commands that helps you diagnose and fix common issues quickly. Here are the top 5 commands every IT support person uses on a daily basis, and you should get comfortable with. Number 1, ping command. It is used to check if a device is reachable on the network. Command number 2, ipconfig/all. It shows you computer network settings such as IP address and subnet mask. Command number 3, tracer. It traces the path your data takes to reach a destination, and it helps you find where the network delays are. Command number 4, sfc/scan now. It scans and automatically repairs corrupted or missing files on a Windows system. And command number 5, task list, lists all currently running processes on your system. It helps you deal with frozen applications and kill the process. Practice using these commands in your computer command prompt. It will boost your troubleshooting confidence and skills. Make sure to highlight troubleshooting, problem solving, and mention these commands on your resume to show that you have hands-on experience. Guys, passing your certification is a great start, but if you actually want to get hired, you've got to back it up with these practical skills and tools. Number 1, Spiceworks. Number 2, AnyDesk. Number 3, Zoom. Number 4, basic networking knowledge. And number 5, basic troubleshooting knowledge. Download these tools for free, practice them daily, and add them to your resume to beat the HR scanner. If this video was helpful, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe. I'll be back with more beginner-friendly IT content. Remember guys, building an IT career is a marathon. It's not a sprint. Keep learning, practice, and you will get there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.